So clean, yeah.
Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon.
Good morning. Good morning. So today's build right here. Oh, that way, right there. This is for Josh. So today's build is a Intel i5 10600K. So honestly, if you guys don't know about 10600K, you know what it is? It's an 8700K on steroids. A lot of people still play on the 8700K. It's a fantastic CPU. The i7 8700K. It's the 10600K is literally an 8700K on steroids, a 9700K on steroids. It's fantastic. Fantastic CPU. So we've got the 10600K. It's a 4.1 gigahertz, it's a 6-core CPU. It boosts pretty high. It's really good. We're cooling that with the Vetroo V5. So if you guys haven't heard about the Vetroo V5, you haven't watched Jay's 2 cents. I hate Jay's 2 cents for one reason. And Jay, don't clip this and send this over to Jay's 2 cents and tag me. He took one of my gems that no one's known about. One of these little five heat pipe coolers, and he talked about it on his YouTube page, and now it's got millions of views and people bought it up. It's a fantastic cooler. And it's white, and it's RGB, 5-volt RGB. It's beautiful, and it goes for like $30. Got this all going on the beautiful ASUS Prime Z490A, one of our favorite motherboards. That's white. A lot of people in the chat, even if we built for you before, probably have it. We have 16 gigabytes of Team Delta white RAM, 3200 megahertz, perfect for the 10600K. We're using the EVGA RTX 3060ti. That's the 8 gig 30 Ti XT gaming. A little bit smaller of a card, but fantastic. We got a 1 terabyte Crucial P2 drive going in as well. It's going all in the beautiful P360A white, so it is the same case that you have, Godzilla, the white P360A. Fantastic case. It's $70. I said doll hairs. $70, and it looks beautiful. You can't really, it's hard to beat this case for the price. We have a 750 watt EVGA bronze power supply. We got white braided cables from Phanteks. We have a PCI Wi-Fi card we're using for U-bit. We didn't do the M.2 just to keep the price down, keep the budget where it is. The M.2 is not a big difference between the PCI and the M.2. We're using the PCIe. And we got 2 front RGB fans. We have 1 rear PWM fan. I think I have a white fan I'm gonna put in his. Either gonna be white or be black. So we'll look at how it looks, and we'll ask Josh, sorry, who's in here this morning, what he likes. He wants black, he wants white. We'll see what he likes. So, all right. So we have a lot to do today. We gotta get this system done. So you can get this picked this up this week. We got a King system done over here. It's sitting on the bench. We've got to get Kings. We have mics over here. It's got to go out today. We just got a lot going on, so we get right to building. Let's get right to building. We also have to finish our partners page on our website. So the partner program, we talked about that last week. And somebody already teased it. Somebody let the cat out of the bag. Didn't hear already. If you didn't hear already, somebody teased it on his channel, in his Discord, and over here on our stream. One of our newest partners coming up, we announced, is Mr. Kings. Plenty of dick buck emotes everywhere on that page. I'm like, I would get a 30. If he's gonna get a 5900X and he's doing gaming, workstation, everything, get a 3080 now. Yeah. Yeah, 5 heat pipes. It's really good for a $30 cooler, and that cools super efficiently too. On his white RGB fan. I've been really impressed with this cooler. I've used it quite a bit of times, and people have raved. I mean, their cooling is phenomenal. So we're continuing to use them. Let me get this cooler on. I like Corsair. Oh yeah, Corsair. I mean, Corsair's done a fantastic job branding themselves for years. Crucial is one of the biggest manufacturers in the world. They're owned by Micron. Micron's one of the biggest manufacturers. Their products are really great. I mean, their Crucial P2 drives just used, fantastic. Crucial P1 still fantastic. I mean, I really, the P2s are a really good bang for the buck with the price performance. I also really like Team stuff, guys. If you haven't heard me talk about Team, this Team RAM that I use, it's really good. She is. How does Corsair benchmark? Good. Benchmark's really good. That's the new stuff, the new Pro SL. I'm using this stuff a lot of builds now. So it's a lower profile RAM. Looks beautiful. Yeah, this case is nice. It's really beautiful. It's one of my favorite cases to build in. It's clean. It's pretty compact. It's really nice. I got all screws in. You do. If you're gonna run the 5900X, depends on the CPU you're going with it and what case you're running. You can run an air cooler on that CPU as long as you have a good airflow case. If you have a really small, compact case, you're gonna want to go liquid cooling. 5900X one's a little hot. You definitely need a good cooler. It'll ramp up at times when it's idle. I noticed that with King system, it'll ramp up for a second, and it'll get a little toasty. So you do want to make sure you have a good cooler. What NVMe drives do you typically use in your builds? Bear, I use everything from pretty much. I think my main two are Crucial and Western Digital. And then some from the higher end systems, higher tier systems where the budget's not really much of a concern. I'll use the Samsungs or the Western Digital Blacks. I use a lot of the Crucial P2s. They're probably one of my top drives I use. And then I use the Western Digital SN550s. They're blues. They're a really good drive as well. About the build, what about this build makes it a budget build? I'm a big fan of understanding the value and opportunity of large purchase I make. Because this was a mid-teens build, and it's going to run probably Warzone in the mid to higher 100s. Efficiently, effectively. Be able to stream it as well. So right now, I mean, the best build, if you're going to be probably just playing this and potentially not streaming it, it's probably a 3600 Ryzen 3600 with a 3060, the new 12 gig. Or a 1660 Super or Ti, which are almost impossible to get right now. They're supposed to be restocked this week. We'll see. I need them. Other than that, I think this is probably the best bang for buck build. If you're just doing Warzone, just to play at a competitive level and be able to potentially stream it. The 3060 Ti and the 10600 is a phenomenal combo. But if you want to take it to the next level and your budget's a little bit more, the 10700K and then the 3070. And if really budget's an option, then go 10700K and 3080. Or i9 850K. I mean, this right here is a fantastic combo. Based on his budget, this was the build to get. Alright, right now securing the power supply. Almost done here. Alright, next is going to be running our white braided cables and our front system panel cables. Alright, got our RGB in. Make sure you gotta have that RGB, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the RGB in. RGB's now going in. Next is going to be our HD audio. For front panel audio. That's all connected now. Alright, time to run some fans. We're gonna run the braided cables for the power supply. That's all we have left, and then we're gonna put the card in, and we have the fan. So we're doing really good. Doing really good. Alright, we're gonna get better cables. These Phanteks ones, I don't like them. Wanna know why I don't like them? As soon as we get any pressure, boom, then pop right out. I'm not gonna deal with that. Nope. Sorry, Phanteks, you're out of here. Those are going back to Phanteks, and no thank you. Yeah, those are not the extensions I want to use. I will use these beautiful ones from LinkUp. Because LinkUp, we know, work fantastic. They're tougher, they're better quality, in my opinion. Those other ones seem really slim. These are a 16 AWG, which is even higher when it comes to the amount of watts you want to be able to run. Those are 18 WG. Yep, just from the pressure, yeah. That's why I said, nope, nope, not doing it. Not doing it. So, rear fan. So, is Josh, are you here? Josh? Yes. All right, we gotta put a rear fan in here. Get some of that heat out of your case. So, let's see what we got. I think this would be the one for you. You don't really see the RGB on this one in the back. So, you got two options. The first fan would be an all-white, non-LED Arctic fan. Really good. Or we go with a PWM. That's a static pressure. That's like 1600 or that's 1200 RPM. Or we go with a Beauty. That is one of these Gamer Storm fans that we have. With one of these. Black and white. What's your feeling? What you call this? This is your build. Wait and see what Josh. I like the black and white. White, the all white's nice too. It depends on what he wants. The black and white will go with aesthetic, I think. Black and white. All right, awesome. So just put our Wi-Fi card in. PCIe. Wi-Fi card. Wi-Fi 6 from Ubit. Ubit make really good Wi-Fi cards. So they run about like $20 to $30 for a good Wi-Fi 6 speed capable card. All right, gonna put the card in. That's all we have left, guys. You gotta give it a thick boy angle, right? Right, no good? A little thick boy. Like the David versus Goliath. This thing's a little monster. There it is. Here's a snap. All right, gotta connect our GPU power, and then we're ready for a light show. All right, take a look at the cable management here in a second, and then we'll get ready to light her up. All right. Yeah, the case is really nice, really clean aesthetic. All right, time to get ready to plug her in, get ready to light her up. So clean, yeah. Look at that pretty or what? What do you think, Josh? Loving it? RGB black. Yeah, soft accents and pretty darn sexy, right? Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. There we go. Let me up. Not enough RGB. I think it's subtle. It's clean. You know what I mean? Looks good. It looks sharp. Nice hour-ish build. Just over an hour to build this beauty. Got to put it over on the bench. Get it software installed. We got a lot to do today. Looks great. Yeah, Josh, we're excited. I'm gonna get everything dialed in, ready for you. I know you're ready to pick it up on Wednesday, like you said. So we'll get it all dialed in for you.
Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us some love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.